We'll be going through 5 stages in the webinar, and our objective is to provide you value. So with each one of these stages that we go through, we're providing you an accelerator to improve your project timeline. Let's start with gathering information, scope and partners. And what's the accelerator and what's the risk? Well, we often see that people come in with integration, and yes, they gather the information. Yes, they architect their solution. Yes, they know what they want to build. But when it comes to the stage of building, there is so much dependency on your vendors, and there's so many dependencies on your partners who you are working with in order to develop the integration to be consistent and uniform across different companies. And we found that this is a critical risk for implementation of integration solutions within projects. So what we've done is we've actually developed an application, and we've developed this application specifically as an accelerator that you can use on your project in order to accelerate your integration with your vendors. We call this our integration build accelerator. If you go onto the domain SAP app, so that's sapapp.com, you'll be able to see it there. And what we do is we have projects, and each vendor has a unique login to their portal, and their portal with their interfaces which are relevant for them. And each vendor only sees the interfaces relevant for them, and they are able to then look at the different attributes of the integration, as well as have the mapping sheet which is used. And we find that our developers then have access to all the portals and all the interfaces with all the vendors. And so we've got access to the mapping sheet, which is the mapping sheet which is used with the vendor. And so we don't have to worry about emails and missed emails or missed communications, or waiting for somebody to come back to us with information, or understanding which mapping sheet is the latest one that should be used. We're able to instantly see what the mappings should be and what the technology should be. And we fed all of this into Power BI, where we can map and we can manage the build of the integration across all the partners, and what stage the build is in, and what technology is being used. So we can even maximize the way that we develop things. For example, you don't wish to do all your hardest integrations first with your vendors, which are necessarily not going to assist you. So you might wish to do some medium risk integrations first, and then move on to some easier ones, followed by some hard ones. So there's a way and there's a footprint to manage these things. Prasanna, is there anything else that you wish to add about this tool?
Yes. So using this tool, as you said, we can maintain projects, sub-projects, and interfaces. We can maintain all the properties of the interfaces, and then it's a good way to interact with the vendors, exchange the mapping sheets. It will be like one place where we can have the updated information on the interface, and then based on the user-based access. So it really gives us, accelerates and really helps us speed up the project. Definitely, we can save a lot of time and resources on this. And it's a great add-on to big projects. It makes the life of a lead or a project manager really easy by maintaining these.
Excellent, thank you.